Cryo Facelift Ice Cube treatment. You've heard the buzz about cryo, using cold therapy to stimulate your body. Well, our Cryo Facelift Ice Cube treatment is even better. It uses a frozen cube of advanced organic serum to plump, lift, and firm the skin. Applying an ice cube treatment improves circulation. Now, this is a frozen one that I have had in the freezer. And as it improves that circulation, it immediately speeds up functional recovery. You know, those processes of your skin need that. You get a little muslin cloth in your pack and you just pop it into the muslin cloth after you exfoliate your skin. Applying an ice cube treatment improves circulation and immediately helps speed up functional recovery processes of your skin. It eliminates puffiness, boosts the skin's natural glow, and reduces inflammation and the signs of aging. And that's just the cold. We add IBR-Dormin to help deliver a visible firming and plumping effect to the skin. We also add vitamin C-rich native extract Quandong and moisture-rich hyaluronic acid to help combat wrinkles, puffiness, and dehydration. The treatment helps to repair and regenerate the skin to promote a radiant glow as good as an extra night's sleep.